Hey guys, here are our bridal gowns. We have a lot of bridal gowns here. We have different collections: ball gowns, mermaid gowns, normal gowns, luxury gowns. Here are some of the samples that we have. Some are with short hands. This is for someone's size, for size 10. For the slim ladies, we have. For those ladies that are very, very fast, we have more and beautiful designs, all at affordable prices. The way you can get all this is when you come, you try it out, you check it out and see for yourself and book it down. This goes with cathedral veil, your petticoat, to make it bulge out very well. You have lovely and lovely bridal gowns. Thank you very much. Hi guys, if you guys can locate us at Suite 100, first floor, Dio Gracias Plaza, Otako, Abuja. Is actually opposite Otako Market, first floor at Saking's Events Company. Our number are 080 34 51 4761. 080 34 51 4761. You can also book us for your decorations. Any kind of decoration you can think about. It's just a call. Put a call across. We'll get to you, get to understand your details, and give you the best. Our desire is for you to be happy. As you are happy, we know we'll get more referrals from you. We wish you the best and hope to see you soon.